I'm out here in the northern part of the Everglades, and for a few days, and I'm going to try to get some photos of a Florida Panther that I know hangs around out here. I've gotten trail camera fit photos of her before, video, and so I know she's still here. Saw some tracks, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. This is where she usually hangs out. She'll come over here and she'll drink from this pond, and she'll traverse this little canal back and forth. So it was raining last night, like I said, and there's some fresh deer tracks, fresh cattle tracks, fresh bird tracks, but I don't see any cat tracks of any kind, not even bobcat. So I know she's around here. There it is, Wednesday night. No panthers. You know, that's the whole thing about this business. You never know. You just never know. Got some good shots today, though. Some otters playing. Got some good night shots. Some friends of mine showed up, and we took a nice drive after the sun went down, and got a few good shots. I think there was one of a cottonmouth water moccasin, so that was pretty cool. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. It's supposed to rain, but it's supposed to stop around 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, so the day won't be wasted. So that'd be fun. It's fun to shoot in the rain too. That should be another another tutorial, another video. All right, well, signing off. Good night. See y'all tomorrow. Morning. Well, it's raining, but that's okay. A lot of good stuff comes out in the rain, so never be afraid to get out there and shoot in the rain. If your camera is not weather resistant or weather sealed or anything like that, look on Amazon and they've got covers for them. So I use my own. I just use a bag, a plastic bag or a trash bag, and I wrap it around there, even though my Nikon D500 and the lenses are actually water sealed, and it would be perfect in something like this, as long as you just don't stay out here for a long time. So if you need to jump out of your car or your Jeep or something like that, get a few shots, come on back in, wipe off the water, and you're good to go. or like what I'm shooting this on a GoPro. They're waterproof, so there you go. All right, well, it's I guess it's about 6:30, 7 o'clock, so we're gonna head on out and see what we find out here in this rain. See you later. Well, as the rain slowed down and the day began to clear up, I kind of came to terms that I wasn't going to find a panther on this trip. But no big deal. That's just the way it goes. So a couple of us started to take advantage of the mud and the wet and enjoyed our Jeeps for a while. I got the drone up in the air a few times, and got some good shots of some other stuff, and maybe next time. I'm out here quite a bit. Hope you enjoyed the video, and enjoy the rest of it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm TJ Waller with Adventure Photography.